Okay, is it recording? It says record.
Okay, so today our goal is to prove or disprove a popular video on YouTube which says that if you throw water in the air that it will evaporate. And so we're going to see if that's really true when it's cold. Right now today in Hay River it is minus 27 degrees centigrade, and I just checked on Google, and that works out to minus 17 Fahrenheit. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we've got a tea kettle full of water that was boiling a couple of minutes ago, and a teacup. So what we'll do, we'll fill the teacup, and we're going to throw it in the air. So watch what happens. And you can see it makes a huge cloud of steam that lasts for quite a few seconds, probably 20, maybe even 30 seconds. It slowly floats off into the atmosphere. Okay, now, so the question is, what happened? Is that all the water? So in order to prove our test, we're going to move over here. Over here we have a tarpaulin set up. And we're going to do the same test here. I'm going to fill that cup again with boiled water, and I'm going to throw it in there so that if water does fall to the ground, it's going to fall on the tarpaulin. We'll just find out what really happens. Okay, are you ready for this? 1, 2, 3, here we go. There's our spectacular cloud. Steam is not a cloud, well, a steam cloud, I guess. But if you look here on the tarp, it instantly turns to ice. But that water is, you heard it and you can see it here, and if we thawed it out and measured it back in a cup, we would find that almost all the water that we threw in the air ends up down here on the tarp, and only a little bit really evaporates. And it's just like our breath. If you look at my breath, but it's only just a tiny little bit of water that makes my breath that you see. Okay, so the conclusion is that yes, a nice steam cloud does come from the water, but it is not true that the water instantly evaporates when it's cold.